Jylla Meghalaya ha Sngi Pule La Rakhe Sngi Burom bakyrpang ye Nonghikai ha jingialang pynlong ha Soso Tham Auditorium ha kaba Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma Rukom Kongsan but Myntri Tnad Pule Puthi Rakkam A Sangma Symbud Kongsan ha kini Sngi Myntri Rangbah kyntu Nonghikai pynlong kiba pinki da jingthmu pantai nongshong shnong kiba kitkhlieh kiba start but kiba snutho Myntri Rangbah Jylla bat kideu paukmat kila samru iki khusnam shigi babon Nonghikai kibla shajit na bynta jingialang jengki ha Rakkam A Skul. Ladon langru ha kini Sngi nadu Chief Secretary ba DP Walang, Commissioner and Secretary Tnad Pule Puthi Vijay Kumar Mantri, Advisor Tnad Pule Puthi HM Shangpliang, bat Director DSEL Uswapnil Tembe bat kiwe.
This citation is presented to Advancing CH Moment, Head Teacher of Degree Government Law Branch.
Niman M. Sangma, Assistant Teacher of Gittam Lower Primary School, was began his teaching career in 19. This citation is presented to Shri Professor
God Almighty for having blessed us with this wonderful day, but more importantly, for having blessed us with all of you, the teachers, the individuals who are responsible, as mentioned by some of the awardees, to shape and to nurture the future generation of our state and of our country. So I do take this opportunity to express my gratitude, my respect, my thankfulness, and also to congratulate all the teachers, the 50,000 plus teachers of the state of Meghalaya. We are here to honor you and to respect each and every one of you for the great contributions and sacrifices that each one of you makes every day to ensure that the future of our children and the future of our state is secure. So once again, I wish all of you a very, very happy Teachers' Day, and once again, thank all of you for all the dedication, hard work, sacrifice that you have shown towards the students and towards the education sector. I also would like to congratulate and thank the Directorate, the entire department for organizing this wonderful program. I also would like to congratulate the young performers, our students. I think all of us were completely thrilled and entertained by the songs that they sung, the dances that they performed, and most importantly, just to see the level of confidence in each of those young children to be able to perform right here in front of all of us. I think this is again another reflection of the character and the confidence that each one of you have contributed in building in each of these students who performed today. And I'll read it right now. It's an Oriental saying, quote, "Where the vision is 1 year, cultivate flowers. Where the vision is 1 year, cultivate flowers. Where the vision is 10 years, cultivate trees. So where the vision is 10 years, cultivate trees. Where the vision is eternity, cultivate people. So where the vision is 1 year, cultivate flowers. Where the vision is 10 years, cultivate trees. Where the vision is eternity, cultivate people. Is one of my more favorite quotes, I should say. And it's very meaningful on a day like this today. Because what does cultivating people mean? Where do we cultivate people? Who cultivates people? Cultivating people means imparting knowledge, education, and wisdom. And this cultivation of people, children, takes place in schools, in colleges. And the farmers or the people who are cultivating these children are you, the teachers, the staff, the principals, and all of you who are in the education sector.